Welcome to Simple Tech Tips. Today we'll show what to do if your Clipchamp is not loading properly. Like you can see that Clipchamp keeps trying to load, it's not loading. Every time I open it, it's like this. So the solution is go to the settings. From there, go to the apps. Then go to the installed apps. Here, write for Clipchamp. I'll just write clip. This is the app. Let's go to the advanced options. You'll see there are a couple of options called reset, repair, reset. So first I'm going to turn it off first. It's not even here. Let's check it. Okay, it's not here. Okay, now select repair. It will take some time and it says like the app's data won't be affected. So let's try to reopen it and see like if it's working now. Still says ready in a minute. Finishing the final touches. It's loading the projects. Let's see. Okay, yes, it worked. So for me, clicking the repair thing worked and it loaded. For you, if it's not working, you can click on the reset and it will reset. And even after the resetting, it doesn't work. Remember that the app's data will be deleted if you click the reset. And if it doesn't work after resetting, you have to uninstall and reinstall it again. So this is how you repair or fix the Microsoft Clipchamp not working. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Thanks a lot.